Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back today again with another edition. So guys, please, if you are new to my channel for the first time watching my video, please, I'm pleading with you, you should just hit the red subscribe button down there and turn on the post notification so that when I upload any new video, you will be the first person to notify. Yo, let's ride on. Still on the music industry, music stuff of in Cameroon. You know, now Cameroonians are complaining that they don't want to, they should not play Cameroon music again. They should not play foreign music again in Cameroon. They should play their own local music so that they will be able to promote and showcase their own, not foreign music. So yeah, it's a very nice idea. The issue now has been great, so the issue now is everywhere in Cameroon now. So I'm really happy for what is really going on. It will make up to step up. Yeah. So Allen Manek came and make this writing. He write this on his Facebook page. On his Facebook page, this is what he write concerning that. Let me just rate it for you people and then I shall talk on it. Stanley Eno had the power to transform Cameroon new generation music to world class with an international recognition. But when he recruited his brother from South Africa as manager, and I told him to avoid the Melivanivi mistake, in bracket STV meeting. They insult me instead. That's when the failure started. If they had me, Stanley could own all the big buildings in Accra. They would have owned all the big buildings in Accra. They would have owned all talents in Cameroon. I will come back to that. All talents in Cameroon. Even Saletier Kolo was the transformation grade. But that same time, Don Jazzy did it in Nigeria with collabos that he refused. Hashtag lamb like moves with crowd. This place that I said you should, this place that he said we have owned all the big buildings in Accra. I don't see anything with music going with big buildings in Accra. Own all the big buildings in Africa. I don't see anything like any reason in there that you should own all the big buildings in Accra. I'm talking about music here. About how they can upgrade our own music industry and make our own music and our own artists to go up to that level. Yeah, although he says something very good, but I don't see any reason for this. That Stanley Eno will have owned all the big buildings in Accra, who own the talent, all he said that was transformed them. So they said that would have owned all talents in Cameroon. Yeah, I know all of us Cameroonians are struggling to make our industry to reach up to that level. Yeah, this bold step that all of us want to take. I'm just praying that we should take that bold step, keep it up for real. We should not put greed in it, because if we start put greed in it, I'm not lying you people, we shall never go anywhere. We still remain at the same position that we are today. So I'm really happy for everyone that is really trying to bring up that courage from everyone, that they should keep up with that one spirit and that same energy. Our own music industry will reach to that level, and all the artists should come to a strong bond. When they come to a strong bond, and they will be discovering new ideas, because they say Two heads is better than one. If I bring my own ideas from this side, you bring your own idea. It will be a very nice and good thing. It will be very nice and good thing, and then we will see when we join those ideas together, it will form a strong foundation for our own industry. So I'm really happy for everyone that is really coming out with their own ideas. Our music industry will reach to that level that we will be very proud, like Nigeria, because Nigeria, they are proud of their music industry because it is really doing well. They are going worldwide. Yeah, guys, let us move on to the next topic. One lady, I just saw this on Twitter, so let me bring it up for us to discuss about it. This lady said, no woman is a gold digger. No woman is a gold digger. No woman is a gold digger. Every woman, even Queen Elizabeth, has needs. Find the one in your price. Find the one in your price. Is this a package or a goods? Find the one in your price and range. Stick to her. Stop calling people names. #respectful 2020. See, the woman is a gold digger. For that, I don't see any sense with that. So I just bring it up that we should talk about it in the comment section. If you have any opinions, you talk about it in the comment section, and then I will know what to, and then I will know what to do in my next video, because I will still bring up something like this. So I don't see any sense in this. Although he makes a little sense, but no, as a woman, let me tell you the truth and nothing but the truth. As a woman, if you want respect from a man, you should find something doing. A man respect a lady that has something doing. Respect you a lot. If you have something doing, a man will always give you that respect, because he knows that if he wants to bring 5,000 francs from his pocket, at least you will bring even 1,000 francs to help him. He will not be the only one bringing. He will not be the only one assisting the home every time. Yeah. So this quote that this lady make like this, I don't see it like any. Then although there is some sense in it, but you know, they say in every nonsense there's a sense inside. There's a sense in it. In every nonsense there's a sense in it. It all boils down to to her own opinion. Yes, that is her own opinion. I don't deny the fact that that's her own opinion. But for me, this is rubbish. For me, I don't know about your own guys. I don't know about your opinion, but for me, this is rubbish. Because for me, if a lady wants respect from a guy or from a man, they should find something doing. This is what concerning what he said. One Nigerian rapper, Erika from Warri, he came and said the very thing I want to say. You see what this Erika said. This is what he said. If your boyfriend cannot afford your closest bills, go get a job. You see, go get a job. Not another boyfriend, go get a job, not another boyfriend. Stop putting your dignity and integrity at stake. Integrity at stake. Yo, true. Go get a job. Try something doing. A man will always give you that respect. Yeah, that is the fact. If you have something, a man will always give you that full respect for every person, for every lady that is doing something and positive. Yeah. Okay, guys, let's move on to the next topic. A lady pour hot water on her husband. One lady pour hot water on her husband because her husband is cheating on her. Say countless time her husband has been cheating on her for countless time now. She pour hot water on her husband's face, all like this, all her face, pour hot water on him. I don't see any sense. I don't see why you should do a thing like that. She should do a thing like that. If your husband is cheating, there are so many ways that you can treat a man who is cheating. There are so many ways to treat a man who is a cheat. I'm just giving an advice to a lady now. Don't pour hot water on him. Avoid him. Make like you don't even know like something like that is happening. Although you know, but you make him that you are aware of what he is doing. Make him that you are aware of what he is doing, but don't avoid doing such a thing like that. Neglect it like you don't even know, but you know. It will kill him inside. When he keeps doing it and you are not acting, you are not taking any action, you will keep doing it, going back. Why is my wife not taking action? Maybe she is up to something, because you know us men, the human mind is like things. When you do something that is wrong and you know that your partner knows what you have done, your mind will be disturbing you. Why is she not taking the action for what I have done? Why is she not taking the action for what I have done? You will keep thinking twice. So I don't see any reason why she should pour hot water on her husband. It's not a good idea. That's not the idea. That is not what she's supposed to do. Yeah, that's not what she's supposed to do. Ladies, when your husband is cheating on you, you should not pour hot water on him, because things like that will instead aggravate more and more problem in your home, in your marriage. Yeah, there are so many better ways to treat a cheating husband. Yeah. So guys, that is all I have for you today. Please, if you are new to my channel watching my video, please, I'm pleading with you, you should just hit the red subscribe button down there and turn on the post notification, so that when I upload any new video, you'll be the first person to notify. I will be keeping you updates on short stories like this. I'll be keeping you updated every time. Thanks for watching my video. God bless you and stay blessed, and I wish you a happy new year. Stay blessed. Thanks. Goodbye.